In today's video, we're looking at the relationship between the length of a piece of wire and its resistance. And we're going to do that using a power supply and an ammeter and voltmeter to put a current through the wire and then calculate the resistance. So we've got a meter of wire held against a ruler, and this wire is 24 SWG or 0.56 millimeter diameter constant wire. I'm going to set up a circuit from the positive of the power supply, which I've set on a 4 volt maximum, to the ammeter. From the ammeter, I'm going to plug into this end of the wire and the other end of the wire back to the power supply. I want to add a voltmeter to that, so the voltmeter positive side to the wire that goes to this end, and the negative side of the voltmeter, the wire that goes this end of the wire. So we've got a current that goes through the wire and back to the power supply, and we're measuring the voltage across the piece of wire. So if I switch on, we can take some readings: 0.47 amps, 2.43 volts, and I'm only going to put that on long enough to take a reading. So now we're going to change the length of the wire. At the moment it's the full meter, and to do that I'm going to connect in a slide wire jockey. These were used when we used a resistance wire to take readings of resistance in another component. So we can hold this down on the wire quite precisely. We could have used a crocodile clip on there, but it's difficult to take accurate readings. So I'm going to take a reading at 0.9 of a meter, which is 0.51 amps, 2.45 volts. 0.8 of a meter, 0.56 amps, 2.4 volts. 0.7, 0.6, 0.5, and then these can all be plotted on a graph. So the slide wire jockey gives you more accurate placement and precise length for the wire. When we get down to this end, a short length of wire will have a lower resistance and the wire can get hot. It's a little chart here where someone has gone down and tried to take a 0.02 meter reading, and it's charred that because the wire has got hot. So beware when you get down to the shorter bits of wire, the resistance will drop and you will get higher currents. So a closer look at the equipment. This is the slide wire jockey. It's just connected to a fairly precise edge that presses down on the wire. Take a more exact reading. So we've got the ammeter connected to the slide wire jockey back to the power supply, and this end of the wire to the power supply, and the voltmeter to the slide wire jockey as well. That's all one lead.